Hey everybody, David here. So if you guys are watching my channel for the very first time, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. On my channel, I do a lot of random videos, projects I come up with, and videos I decide to make, but I also like to do a lot of photography stuff and videography stuff, and this sort of has something to do with that, and today we're going to take a look at it. It's called ROKR, I believe is the name of the company that makes it, and it is called the Vitascope. It is a projector that takes no batteries, made out of pretty much just wood. I'll read you guys what it says on the back. River is a retired film projectionist. More than 20 years of work time has made him have special feelings for old film projectors. In the 21st century, the old film projector has been gradually fading out of people's lives, and River has already retired at home. River's happiest thing is to use his most familiar film to record some memorable clips and show them to family and old friends on Vitascope. It seems that every scene on the film symbolizes eternity. So I guess these were designed by Robotime. That's the name that it says on the back. It is made out of plywood. There's 183 pieces altogether, and the level is 4.5 stars. So we'll see how hard that actually is. I have a feeling this could take about 4 hours, but I'll be doing time lapse and stuff to be able to capture it so you guys will be able to see the whole build. And I'll probably stop here and there to actually talk to you guys, but in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so the next thing we got to do is we've got to take the pieces it tells us to use. The next one would be like A10. It'd be this one right here. So we got to take this, and all the little parts where it came off the wood, there's little tiny things that were on there holding the wood to the frame of it, I guess you could call it. And you got to take this little piece of sandpaper and take all those little edges off. We want to make sure this is as smooth as possible so it goes together as easy as possible. So I'll go ahead and get to sanding all these. But I'm going to sand these as I'm putting them together. I'm not just going to sand them all at the same time because I'm really not wanting to right now. That way, if I need to take a break tonight, I can take a break and continue going where I left off. I got it all finished. This thing right here, make sure it focuses on there. So it's the ROKR Vitascope. This thing's freaking awesome. I do have to say, it can be a little bit fragile. Some of the pieces of wood are a bit fragile when you're trying to squeeze certain parts together. You can break it. Luckily, I was able to MacGyver it back together a little bit. All right, did I just age myself with that? Anyways, so I was able to MacGyver those little parts that I broke and make it work just fine. I just went through the instruction manual and made sure I went piece by piece by piece. It wasn't too bad. As long as you follow the pictures, organize everything out, everything seems to go together just fine. All right, are you guys ready to see the finished product? Well, that was a lot of fun. I would have to give that about an 8. It could be made a little better, but it was actually made really well and it works really well. So I'll show you guys some close-up pictures of the final product, and then I'll show you guys a little video of it actually working. But I gotta wait till it's a little bit darker so I can actually get it to work correctly and you guys can actually see it. Well, there you have it. It's all wrapped up and finished. I think it went quite well. I had a couple pieces that wanted to mess up here and there, but I was able to still get it together and working and everything. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe, and I'll hope to see you guys again in the next one. Peace.